This mini-crisis in the ranks of French football club Paris Saint-Germain, aka PSG, begs the intervention of the Maverick this evening. It involves superstar Neymar and veteran striker Edinson Cavani. Apparently, Cavani, who is the all-star on the team, don't realize that Neymar is not just the new star of the team, but the Brazilian is now the real star on the team. So whenever free kick or penalty situations arise, the real star will have the first choice. If Neymar decides say him don't want the kick, then Cavani get a blind. You think Neymar leave from under the wings of Lionel Messi at Barcelona to come take talk from Edinson Cavani? And go make matters worse, him run down the penalty and miss it. No, sir. And we understand. So the argument get even worse, heated, after the players left the field. You know, say Cavani gone from PSG, though. Him gone. Cavani must understand that Neymar is now the world record-breaking 200-odd million pound face of PSG. Who is Cavani? If you come talk to the big world money baller. I don't know if it's the Brazil-Uruguay rivalry or it's that infamous South American temperament. And yes, we know Bala, and especially as a center forward, always want to score as much goal as possible. But the Mavericks' final ruling in this case is that Edinson Cavani must stay in his lane and he must know his place. Next case. I don't think the Mavericks have time to waste. Next case.